Okay, good morning, my dear student, and namaste to my parents. As usual, of this previous class, today I am presenting my dear student in front of you by bringing this topic, the new lesson inside this unit 3, that is the universal brotherhood. The universal brotherhood means that in Nepali, Biswa Bhai Bandhutva, or you can say Biswa Bhaichara. Okay. So what the mean of, what the definition of, what is the concept of the universal brotherhood? Means that Biswa Bhai Bandhutva. Listen me, my dear student. It is the concept of thinking the whole world. Okay, it is the concept of thinking the whole world is our own family. This world is our family. This world is our home, and we must have to behave to each and every individual as a brother and sister, as we behave at our home. And in another word, it is a notion. Universal brother, it is a notion. Notion means dharana. Okay, the universal brotherhood in the previous 2 years ago or 3 years ago, it is not included in this curriculum, in this social study, so that this concept is the notion, or you can say presumption, manyata, to regard as his family. So behaving with each others as a brother and sister, respecting all religion, giving and taking the help at the time of need, respecting all religion, and raising above from this nation, and thinking that we all living creatures, we social creatures are the family of this world. So this is known as this universal brotherhood. So now listen me, my dear student, if we analyze or evaluate the present era of this world, many more problem and the crisis has been seen, or you can heard in this televisions or this FM, or you can say we can read in this newspaper. The present era is suffering from the various kinds of this problem in the name of caste, in the name of border, in the name of biological weapons, in the name of territory, in the name of energy, okay, in the name of religion too. So many more crisis has been seen in this present context in the world, so that it has been included in our curriculum to understand how to overcome from such types of the problem in these coming days, in this future, in this world, so that universal brotherhood is this concept, it is this notion about this thinking about all people are one, we are the family of this world. We must have to respect, we must have to help to this needy people at this time of this need. Behaving this all people of the world as a brother and sister is obviously known as, is collectively known as the universal brotherhood. Okay, but nowadays at this present era, अहिलेको युगमा हामीले हेर्ने हो भने, we saw intolerance based racial discrimination most obviously, most frequently, such types of this events, or you can say ghatna, has been seen, the racial based discrimination, or you can say narrow minded nationalism. Okay, narrow minded minded nationalism also created the many more problem in this world, and such types of the activities are increasing day by day. For example, we saw at the present context, my dear student, there is the hostility between the America and North Korea. Okay, in the name of this biological weapons, the top leader of the world, they also do this negotiation, round table conference, or you can say table talk to take out their solution, but it becomes worthless, meaningless. No concrete conclusion they success to find out how to maintain this world peace, how to solve this such types of these problems among these nations. Okay, such types of the problem has been created, and many more innocent peoples were dying day by day. Okay, due to this conflict in the different topic and this criteria and this issues too. The such types of the problems are increasing in the world day by day. So that the concept has been came here, how to maintain the universal brotherhood in the present context. And similarly, for my dear student, to make you more clear what is happening in the world, so I am reciting all these things because we are in this topic of universal brotherhood. Okay, so this is the social study. We must have to not limit it only in this inside this lesson only. So now listen to me here. There is this conflict between this India and Pakistan too in the name of Kashmir. Most frequently there is the conflict going means that we have seen between this India and Pakistan in the name of Kashmir too. That is also this problem in this world, and there is the hostility. Similarly, thought of misunderstanding among this China and Japan. In the name of competitive प्रतिस्पर्धा चाहिँ कि competitive electronical device as well as this small island too. And similarly, there is the partiality policy of this America. बुकमा छ मैले भनिदिनु पर्ने हुन्छ. And such types of this current event that has been occurred at this present context in the world. The America adopted especially about this partiality policy, especially for this Muslim nations. Most frequently there is one movie that has been released from this America, that is known as the I think what is that? New York, New York, okay, and not that Indian New York that is acted by this John Abraham and this Katrina Kaif, but it is the English movie that has been released from this America, and that movie is criticized this Paigambbar Muhammad, okay. The such types of the act and activities has been created suspicion, शंकाहरू सिर्जना गर्ने खालका गतिविधिहरू विश्वमा चाहिँ सिर्जना भइरहेका छन्. It creates this thought of misunderstanding, hatred as well as the jealousy and strong rejection too. Okay, such types of these events are occurring most frequently in this world. Okay, and similarly there is the dispute between this America as well as the Iran in the name of natural resources, in the name of petrol. Okay, as well as most frequently there is a murder of Qasim Soleimani. Yes or no? He is the most powerful security intelligence commander of this Iran. Such types of the work and activity were increasing day by day in this present world that has been created this feelings of revenge. यस्ता किसिमका घटनाहरूले हैन विश्वमा चाहिँ एक किसिमको चाहिँ बदलाको भावनाहरूलाई सिर्जना गरिरहेको छ. That there is the possibility about this next war, there is the possibility about this war among these different nations. If it happens so, then there is no doubt we cannot believe this uncountable loss of life and property. Many children may became these orphans, many women became this widow too. So whatever we achieve in these civilizations or inventions, they may be destroyed. So in this concept, in this context or the concept, now we are discussing about this universal brotherhood. The such types of the act and activities is conflict, hostility, thought of misunderstanding, okay, jealousy, or you can say strong rejection is not the solution of this problem, but feelings of brotherhood is the solution of any problem. So that we are discussing right now about the topic of this universal brotherhood. It is the notion, your dharana ho, how to maintain these relations among these people as a brother and sister, how to give and take the help at the time of need, how to respect this religion, how to raise up above these nations, religions, caste, occupations, and contribute and help among these world people to live a life commonly without any threat. Okay, that is the concept of this universal brotherhood. Now listen to me, my dear student. By learning all such types of these issues in this lesson, how the question is asked. Before the questions, I would like to recite one thing also. In our Vedic traditions also there is mentioned that, okay, the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, it is written in our Veda from the ancient period of time. The Veda also focus that we must have to maintain these relations among the people as a brother and sister. Then only we can maintain the peace, prosperity, help among the world people at the time of need. So that our Vedic tradition or Ved also there is mentioned that, or we also treat these people as Vasudeva Kutumbakam. It is written in the Sanskrit language. It means that people living in the earth are one. विश्वमा हामी जति पनि चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि मानिसहरू अस्तित्वमा रहेका छौं, हामी सबै एक हौं। धर्म भन्ने कुरा त पछि मानिसले बनाएका कुराहरू हुन्। यद्यपि हाम्रो खुसीले यसलाई एडप्ट गर्ने छुट्टै कुरा हो, तर हामी सबै चाहिँ एक हौं भन्ने कुरालाई पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि चरितार्थ गर्दछ अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर वैदिक ट्रेडिशंस। नाउ लिसन टू मी माय डियर स्टूडेंट, बाय गेटिंग some concept about this topic of universal brotherhood from me. Now how the question is asked in the examination, that must be our focus point. Okay, the first of all, what are the importance and the advantages of this universal brotherhood? That we must have to understand to write in this examination. List out any 4 advantages or list out any 4 importance of that is universal brotherhood. Like this question may be asked to you. Okay, so I am giving you idea how to create the answer. Okay, the advantage as well as the importance of what? The universal brotherhood. First, unity and peace can be maintained if we success to maintain the feelings of what? Universal brotherhood. Not by the learning or limited on this class and listening, and we are not behaving equally in our society, in our community and among the other peoples of this world. That became this worthless and this meaningless. So that unity यसले केलाई विकास गर्छ भन्दा एकतालाई विकास गर्छ, विश्वमा शान्ति कायम गर्नले मद्दत गर्छ। केले? त युनिभर्सल ब्रदरहुडले, means that विश्व भाइ बन्धुत्व है। त unity and peace can be maintained only by the feelings of universal brotherhood. युनिभर्सल ब्रदरहुड को फिलिंग्स ले मात्रै विश्वमा के ल्याउँछ भने शान्ति ल्याउँछ, प्रोस्पेरिटी ल्याउँछ, डिग्निटी ल्याउँछ, सहयोगको भावनाहरू लिएर आउँछ। फर दिस पर्पज, दिस इज दिस इम्पोर्टेन्स अफ और यू कैन से एडभान्टेज अफ universal brotherhood. First, now second, the main motto of this universal brotherhood is to respect all religion. त दिस यो टपिक को, यो शीर्षक को, युनिभर्सल ब्रदरहुड को चाहिँ मेन उद्देश्य भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि एनी हाउ टू मेन्टेन among the people to respect all the religion, all the caste, all the region, okay, nationality as well as the beliefs. Okay, means that सबै जाति, भाषा, धर्म, संस्कृति, क्षेत्रीय, okay, राष्ट्रियता र विश्वास, okay, लाई चाहिँ कसरी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एक बनाउने त, how to create such types of this environment to respect all the religion, all the caste, okay, all the religion, all the region, okay, all the culture. That is the main motto of this universal brotherhood. So that all these things to maintain in the world, it helps by this universal brotherhood. That is the importance, that is the advantage of universal brotherhood too. Second, okay. Now third, we are now discussing or learning about the importance as well as the advantages of what? Universal brotherhood. And universal brotherhood frees the world. Universal brotherhood frees this world from this war. It frees from the war. लडाईबाट चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि विश्व जगतलाई यसले बचाउने काम गर्छ। केले? युनिभर्सल ब्रदरहुड सस्पिसन, शंकाहरू, सिमिलरली थर्स्ट अफ मिसअन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ, यस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ नचाहिँदा कुराहरूलाई युनिभर्सल ब्रदरहुडले मिनिमाइज गर्दै लैजान मद्दत गर्दछ। त दिज आर दिस इम्पोर्टेन्स और दिज आर दिस एडभान्टेजेस अफ दिस कन्सेप्ट अफ और द नोसन अफ, धारणा अफ universal brotherhood. And similarly, it helps to increase, okay, the cooperation, mel milap, warm relationship among the people, as well as the empathy. Don't be confused in the sympathy and this empathy. Sympathy means daya. Sympathy means what? The means that there is daya in Nepali, and empathy means in Nepali samanubhuti. It means that the ability to understand the feelings of others. अरूको भावनाहरूलाई बुझ्न सक्ने क्यापेसिटी लाई हामी के भन्छौं त भन्दाखेरि empathy. and that can make the human life joyful. Means that the feelings of universal, yes, brotherhood helps to increase the cooperation as well as the empathy and ability to yes, understand this feelings of these others, that can make this human life joyful, happy. So these are the yes, importance of universal brotherhood. Like this, my dear student, you have to yes, write the answer in your examination. Like this, you must have to create the answer. If the question is asked like this, list out this advantage, or you can say this importance of what? Universal brotherhood. And now listen to me here. So these are the yes, advantage as well as what? This importance of universal brotherhood. Like this, in another way, how the question is asked. Okay. Now listen me here. What should be done? What measures should be yes, applied in the present era or this at the present context in the world to maintain yes, universal brotherhood? This is the most important question, may be asked to you in examination. Everywhere if we see that there is the conflict, there is the violence, okay, there is the war in the name of this territory, in the name of these weapons, in the name of his energy, in the name of his natural resources, in the name of business, in the name of trade, as well as there is the crisis among the political leaders in the politics. So there is the feelings of revenge, there is the thought of misunderstanding, there is this conflict. So that to overcome from such types of this scenario or the environment that has been yes, prevalent right now in this world, so what should we do to maintain? Like this, my dear student, the question is asked. What should we do to maintain this universal brotherhood? Okay, present your logics in 4 points. Like this, the question may ask to you in examination. The how or what measures should be done to maintain this universal brotherhood? There is the conflict, just now I recited in front of you. There is the conflict between India and Pakistan in the name of Kashmir. There is the conflict between this America as well as the North Korea in the name of this biological weapons. There is the conflict between this China as well as this Japan in the name of competitive yes, electronic yes, devices as well as this small island. There is the conflict between this America and this Iran in the name of energy as well as the petrol as well as this Qasim what? Soleimani has been yes, murdered there most frequently. Okay, such type of the work and activities or the events are yes, increasing day by day. In this context, how the question is asked in this examination, that must be this focus, that must be yes, considered by this what? The student. Okay, so like this the question may be asked you, what should we do to maintain a yes, universal brotherhood in the present world? The present your logics in 4 points. Like this, my dear student, question may be asked to you. Take the idea with me. It is not necessary what I am saying, yes, that question may ask to your examination, not. But we are giving you the idea how this question may be asked you and how you have to create the answer. Now listen me carefully. Whatever the problem that is arise, okay, or arouse among these people, among these politics or political leaders in the name of trade, in the name of natural resources, in the name of energy, in the name of border encroachment, such types of the problem, or in the name of these weapons, such types of the issues, whatever it has been seen in this world, it must be solved through this culture of negotiation. That must be solved by this table talk. Then only we can take out the solution to maintain what? The universal brotherhood. So that once again, my dear student, whatever the problem that is arise or arouse, okay, among these people or in the sectors of this politics or in the sectors of trade and its business, okay, or in the sectors of its natural resources or in this energy or in the sectors of border encroachment, that should be solved by the negotiation. नेगोसिएसन भनेको वार्ताको माध्यमबाट यस्ता समस्याहरू, यस्ता विषयहरू, यस्ता इस्युजहरूलाई समाधान गर्ने तर्फ चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अगाडि बढ्नु पर्दछ. War, conflict is not any solution of any problem. So that dialogue is the most important and foremost method to solve any problem. Such types of the culture must be developed among the people, between the nation, to maintain universal brotherhood. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer to give your best answer. Understand? So listen me carefully, okay? Whatever the problem that is arise among the people, among the political leaders, or this border of these touched nations, if any problem, or in the sectors of energy, in the sectors of petrol, in the sectors of biological weapons, there are so many problems in the world right now that is prevalent. So whatever this problem that has been seen in front, then it should be solved by the negotiation, by the stable talk. Okay, by the round table conference, without any partiality, then only we can success to maintain what? The universal brotherhood, there is no doubt. Such types of the methods should be applied. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer. How to maintain the universal, yes, brotherhood in the present context in this world. And similarly, now listen to me here. Everyone should avoid the egoism. Hey, egoism must be eradicated. Either powerful nation, either powerless nation. In the name of Christian, in the name of Muslim, or any other what the religion. Such types of the egoism should be eradicated from their heart and their mind. Then only we can success to maintain universal brotherhood. Okay. Then now listen to me here. Everyone should avoid the egoism and this superiority. एउटा superiority भन्ने चाहिँ भावना जुन छ, we, my, not we, my religion, my country, my festival, my custom, my nation, my senate, my parliament. Such types of the egoism should be avoided from this mind as well as from this heart. Practically, then only we can success to maintain the universal brotherhood. There is no doubt. Okay, my dear student. Like this, you must have to create the answer in examinations. That is the focus point. Okay, and similarly, develop the feelings of other existence. अरूको अस्तित्वलाई पनि स्वीकार गर्ने खालको इन्भाइरोमेन्ट र वातावरण सिर्जना गर्नुपर्दछ. Means that develop the feelings of other existence. अरूको अस्तित्वहरूलाई पनि स्वीकार गर्ने त्यस्तो खालको वातावरणहरू सिर्जना गर्न सकियो भने obviously there is no doubt, yes, we can success to maintain this universal brotherhood. The such types of the measures should be adopted in coming days by the developed or by this underdeveloped or the developing nations or this top what the leaders of this world. Everybody know that problems are most frequently arise in the world, that is this COVID-19 corona. Okay, र के सुन्नमा आएको छ त भन्दाखेरि यो गतिविधि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि प्रकृतिले गरेको होइन, यो मानव निर्मित चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि भाइरस हो. त यसरी आफ्नो राष्ट्रलाई आर्थिक रूपमा माथि उकास्नका लागि यदि जो कोहीले पनि यस्तो कामको क्रियाकलाप, यस्ता खालका क्रियाकलापहरू गरिन्छन् भने how we can success to maintain this universal brotherhood? Many people are suffering by this virus. What is the intention? Till unknown. I am reciting all these things. It is because that we are learning the social study. We must not bound only the periphery of these books, or don't try to be insects of this book only, my dear student. You have to include the current events in your answers. The such types of these things or behavior of this developed nation, powerful nation, obviously creating this problem in the world. If such types of the practices is increasing day by day, then it creates the problem in the world. So that I am talking right now here in the topic that develop the feelings of other existence. अरूको अस्तित्वलाई पनि स्वीकार गर्न सक्ने खालको वातावरण स्वीकार मतलब चाहिँ विकास गर्न सकियो भने then only we can maintain what this universal brotherhood. It is said that without any war, without any weapons, powerful country assume and they adopt this yes COVID-19 coronavirus as a third world war to make the economic status of that nation more strong than the other nations. Such types of the things are also coming most yes frequently to listen through the news or by these intellectuals or these experts too. The such types of the work and activities obviously disturb the existence of this other people or other country. It creates this problem among these people and suffer to this many more innocent peoples due to this revenge between this powerful nation. It is not good, yes or no? Yes. So that to maintain this universal brotherhood, first of all, we must have to accept and develop the feelings of his others existence. अरूको अस्तित्वलाई पनि स्वीकार गर्न सक्ने, अरूको अस्तित्वलाई पनि चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि रेस्पेक्ट गर्न सक्ने वातावरण सिर्जना गर्न सक्नुपर्छ अनि मात्रै हामीले विश्वमा भाइ बन्धुत्व भाइचाराको चाहिँ विकास गर्न सक्छौं. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination. Okay, and similarly, everyone should raise above the boundary. Okay, listen me. Very nice point. Everyone should raise above the boundary of caste, religion, race, language and the nation. आफ्नो जाति, आफ्नो धर्म, वर्ग, भाषा र राष्ट्रदेखि माथि उठेर हामी सबै एक हौं भन्ने भावनाको विकास यदि हामीले गर्न सक्यौं भने मात्रै it is possible to maintain what this universal brotherhood, that the meaning of yes विश्व भाइ बन्धुत्व. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination and I am here in front of you to give you the idea how to create the answer, how to yes solve your questions in examinations in social study. And similarly, after learning all these things, other way are also there to ask the question in examinations. Like this may also the question may be asked you, but it is your homework. You must have to try at your home. That is your responsibility. Don't depend everything upon these teachers' lectures in various subjects. You must have to create the answer from your own also by listening all these things, all these reality that is happening in this present world. Now listen to me here, how the question may be asked in another way too. First, listen me here. Universal brotherhood, yes, is important to maintain this world peace. Look, विश्वमा अहिले शान्ति छ त छैन नि? Obviously छैन. There are so many more yes problems we are facing, we are feeling. COVID-19, coronavirus. Yes or no? Not only this, for more information, I would like to say something in front of you all. There is the terrorist as well as the terrorism act and activities are also going on in this world in the name of Al Qaeda. It is the terrorist organization. Similarly, there is the Boko Haram. What a name, Boko Haram is there. यो सक्रिय छ कहाँ छ त भन्दाखेरि नाइजेरियामा छ Boko Haram. And similarly, Lashkar-e-Toiba. All these are the terrorist organizations. Okay, we are in the topic of social study. I already recited you that. Don't try to be insects of book only. बाहिरी ज्ञानहरु पनि चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि सोशल स्टडीमा अत्यन्तै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छन्. ती कुराहरुलाई समावेश गर्न सक्नु पर्दछ in answer. Then only your answer became this weighty, fabulous. So that you must have to concentrate in your mind what I am saying for you. Listen me. So there is this Al Qaeda, there is the Boko Haram. It is this active in this Nigeria, and similarly there is the Lashkar-e-Toiba. It is active in this Pakistan. Okay. Similarly, there is the Taliban and this Hamas. It is mostly yes prevalent in this Palestine. And similarly, such types of the yes organizations were emerging in the world. Why it is so then? It is so due to what? The narrow-minded nationalism. They are directly or indirectly hampering to this innocent people in this world. Such types of this event, such types of this what world is scenario compelled to think to these intellectuals how to maintain the universal brotherhood. So that we are discussing right now, so that this topic has been included in our curriculum. दुई वर्ष भएपछि include गरिएको in our curriculum, in our text book. So these are the incident has been going on most rapidly. Uncountable loss of life and property. Okay, civilizations were destroyed. Many children became this orphans. Many women became what this widow, especially in these Muslim nations, due to the explosions of these bombs. So this is the serious problem right now in this all over the world. So that how the question is asked to you, my dear student. So try to understand me how to create the answer. The question may be asked you like this also. The universal brotherhood is important to maintain the peace in the world. Justify this statement by giving this example. Many more examples I have given you right now in front of you. Okay? Okay, my dear student, I hope that you are understanding my ideas, how to yes, understand this topic of this universal brotherhood and what types of the question is asked in this examination and how you must have to create the answer. Okay, okay. Lastly, I would like to give the thanks to my student as well as the parents who are watching me, and mostly my lovable friends who are taking the idea with me. And now listen to me here. Tomorrow again we will meet on this same time. Okay, and time is over. And thank you very much. Stay at the home, be safe, and labor hard at the home. Thank you very much.